Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Almost the last day of this campaign for the last 1 month. This is called the Static Point Vaccination Campaign to support the owner dogs in Goa state in 7 talukas. This is introduced for the reason that we have already stopped the stray dog vaccination and owner dog vaccination in these 7 talukas following the declaration of rabies-free status to Goa, rabies controlled status to Goa. So that is the reason we have to practice this every year.
On the culmination of this 1 month long vaccination program, it is a long way that the Mission Rabies has come, and Goa has come to a stage where we do not have rabies among the indigenous population of dogs, and our concentration has shifted to the border areas, but still it is a continuous process. We have achieved whatever we have been able to achieve over a period of 7-10 years, but still we need to continue this drive. And today I would like to congratulate the entire team of Mission Rabies, the entire team of Department of Animal Husbandry.